Hey guys, today we're making the creamiest, fluffiest mashed potatoes. Starting with the right type of potato and how you prepare and mash the potatoes is important. This traditional classic side dish, you might think it's very simple to make. These tips and tricks is important for a perfect creamy and fluffy mashed potatoes. Then let's get started. Russet potatoes are ideal for making light and fluffy mashed potatoes. Yukon Gold potatoes have a natural creaminess, dense, and buttery flavor. Peel 4 pounds of russet or Yukon Gold potatoes. You can also combine half russet for light, fluffy, and half Yukon Gold for rich, creamy, and buttery flavor mashed potatoes. Remove any remaining eyes. Russet potatoes, because of their tough skin, they should be peeled or you can leave a little skin on if you like texture. You can gold potatoes, because of their thin skin, you can even leave the skin if desired. To prevent them from turning brown, place peeled potatoes in a container of cold water to completely submerge the cut surfaces of potatoes. By cutting them evenly sized pieces helps to ensure they cook at the same time. Let me know in the comment if you tried this technique. Place the sliced potatoes in a pan of cold water until you're done cutting. And it removes excess starch, which will help for a creamier texture. I'm harvesting store-bought potatoes that we regrow in our garden. Transfer to a large pan and add cold water until the potatoes are covered. It's very important that you always start with cold water when you cook your potatoes. Don't add them later when the water is already boiling to prevent the outside from becoming mushy before the inside is soft. Cook on medium-high about 15 to 25 minutes. Don't overcook. More water will be soaking in the potatoes just until you can easily spare the potatoes with fork. Amazing how much we save. Every year, we still produce more potatoes. You can check out our video how we regrow our store-bought potatoes. Drain the potatoes very well to make sure no more water is left. Or using a colander to drain the water and remove as much water as possible. I'm only using a potato masher to mash the potatoes, but if you have a potato ricer, it will work great too. You want to start mashing the potatoes to ensure a smoother texture before adding the butter and other ingredients. And make sure don't have any large chunks of potatoes. Add 3/4 cup or 1 steak plus 4 tablespoons unsalted butter at room temperature. Avoid cold butter because adding them can change the consistency of the potato and will cause the starch to seize up. Make sure when you're mashing potatoes, you don't overwork the starches because it can make the potatoes glowy or gummy. Season with 1 teaspoon salt or to taste. Add 2 teaspoons ground black pepper. Add 2 teaspoons garlic powder. 1/2 cup warm whole milk helps for creamier mashed potatoes. Avoid cold milk which will cause the starch to seize up. Warm liquid makes the potatoes absorb better and stay silky. And you can add a little at a time until you reach your perfect texture. Let me know in the comments, do you like your mashed potatoes creamy and smooth or lumpy and rustic? Avoid using an electric hand mixer. It's easy to overmashing the potatoes releases so much starch that the potatoes become gluey or gummy. Let us know in the comments how yours turns out. If you enjoyed this recipe, hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious videos. Sprinkle parsley leaves before serving. Thanks for watching.